Hello everyone, welcome back to Earning with Bits. Today let's take a look at CraftWorld, a resource management game that pays big rewards. Get started by signing up to Starship Voyager. The link is in the description below. Once you're logged in, you will see your missions, equipment, and crew menus at the top. Your shop and Dyno coins is here as well. When you level up in CraftWorld, you come back here to buy new equipment and upgrade your Dyno. You also can check your progress here to see how many crystals you contributed to the mothership. CraftWorld and the Starship are interconnected. Once you get familiar with the Starship home base, log into the CraftWorld game with the same information that you logged into Starship Voyager with. You start out with a Dyno that digs dirt to produce resources. These resources are used to build a masterpiece. You work with other players to contribute to building the masterpiece in order to earn rewards. The first resource you make is mud. You use the mud to make sand and the sand to make copper, then steel, and so on. A good way to level up is to make sure your lower level factory is double the level above it, so you never get supply blocked. If you have too much of one resource, you can trade it for another one you need. Once you reach level 12, the higher your level, the more valuable the resource you craft. After level 40, you can start producing a decent amount of resources. When you've gathered enough resources, you can contribute to the masterpiece. Every time you level up or craft more resources, you will be rewarded with crystals for accomplishing your daily missions. Earn crystals and contribute to the masterpiece to level up in the leaderboards. You can also purchase fire and water Dynos to help you make your resources faster. Join my crew by signing up with my link, and let's earn some Dyno coins. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.